So many of the significant relationships that Seven Seas Roasting Company has today were born right here in Thailand. Everything from some of the fighters that we sponsor to our relationship with JCFC, meaning the coffee we get from Laos, to of course our relationship with Factory Coffee. We're born right here in Bangkok, Thailand. Over the past year, we've conspired with the team at Factory Coffee to develop 7 signature drinks for our cafe. This is a collaboration of some of the best baristas, the best roasters, to deliver a truly unique experience from Thailand to San Diego. The baristas at Factory are truly the pride of Thailand. They have competed on the national level and been recognized as the #1 baristas in the country. And they've gone on to compete on the international level representing Thailand at the SCA International Barista Competition, which is essentially the Olympics in the industry.
มันเป็นการแลกเปลี่ยนวัฒนธรรมแลกเปลี่ยนความรู้แลกเปลี่ยนเขาเรียกว่าอะไรแลกเปลี่ยนข้อมูลข่าวสารในอย่างเช่น